bold today. We're gonna try to be bold at least. Keyword, at least. I'm not even showing y'all what I'm going in with, but I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using this yellow shade right here. And basically that's gonna be my transition shade color. Transition shade color. I didn't pronounce that all the way. I think I want to go in with like a blue, maybe. We'll see if I don't mess this up or not. I like literally just got that all in my face. I like the way this color looks so far. I don't know if I want to do this blue color, but it's like, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna go ahead and work our way in. I don't know, I need a better transition shade after that one. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm a little scared. This pigmented looks green. It's not supposed to look green. I think it's because like the other shades that's on this brush. Does that look ugly? Gonna pack the color and then blend. Not sure what color, but I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna pack it on. This color is super pigmented. I'm actually really afraid that like when I take this off, my eyelids are gonna be stained. Making it work. I'm just gonna be blending the two colors right here together to make sure they look seamlessly blended in. I feel like that area looks just a little harsh. Match it better. This one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that on a synthetic brush if I can find one. This looks so pretty. There is a little bit of fallout underneath my eyes, but that's normal. This shade is actually very pigmented. I think I want to do like a little gold in my inner corner. Or I think this shade, let's see how it looks. Oh yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with, I think this one is called enlightenment. I could be wrong. I just dug my nail. Love life. This is like so like this. Wow. Just gonna go halfway. I like got in my eye. Then I'm gonna put some lower lash mascara, and then I'm gonna finish off my foundation. First, we're gonna go ahead and bronze. And paired this eye look with, I always do like dusty colors, or I don't know what you want to call this little lip, but I went ahead and paired it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, matte lipstick in Spice. This lipstick is so good, y'all should get it. And then I think I also got Petal. Petal is really pretty too. But yeah, so watching this video, and it was completely out of my comfort zone, so if I looked awkward while I was filming it, that's why, because I was like, I don't know if this looks good or not. But I really do hope y'all like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to be extra, go ahead and click the little, I think it's a little like doorbell type thing. But yeah, go ahead and click that, and it'll let you know. It'll basically be post notifications for when I upload my next video. So yeah, y'all should really do that for me, and y'all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.